Dr. Law calls me and tells me, you have, Ruby Wilson, you have cancer. I said, not me, Ruby Wilson, I don't have cancer. And he said, yes, Ruby Wilson, you do have cancer. But it just made me so angry at first. Why me? You know, I do the right things. I get my mammograms. I go to the doctor every year. Anyway. I've been at the Methodist Hospital for 37 years. I've been a registered nurse. I worked in neuro ICU, and then now I'm on 412. Well, it was during the holiday season, and of course the thought went through my mind that I wouldn't be able to prepare or to have fun, prepare meals for my family. My boss made it possible where they cooked. We have our own kitchen here on 412, and so my family was able to meet in the private dining room, and the people in the kitchen, of course my co-workers, they prepared a whole meal, Christmas dinner for me. I'm so glad it was me first because I was able to be a good support person for my daughter. I think if I had to lose my daughter, I don't know. I don't know. So I'm so happy I was there, and she'll tell you too. She says my mom was there with me. So, but I told her, I'm here with you. I've been through this, and of course, therefore, the doctors told her, you would have, you know, we'll do a mastectomy, and you can come back and have the reconstructive surgery. And she said, I want it just like my mom. Out of the whole 50 states, they chose 11 people, and they wanted to hear all our stories.